The innovation of technology has revolutionized the way we live. It has created amazing tools and resources, which creates significant impact on the world of interior design. Interior designing is all about revision and revision. Before having such solutions, ID's job has been tedious and time-consuming. Just because they do not know what they want. And there, the endless drawing starts. For days and nights, just to fulfill customers' requirements.
Here's your classic design.
I want something like modern classic design. Can you propose to me, with red leather sofa?
ID's life has never been easy. Until the existence of